Okay. Hi, my name is Gildas Humano. I'm from Benin, and I'm a PhD student here at the Faculty of Health. And we joined this program today about how to do public speaking as a scientist. And this has been a very incredible experience. The 3 hours went by like 3 minutes, and we really wish to have more of this. And I think every student should follow the regulation. I mean, the things that are taught in this in this conference, or we could call it a workshop. But this is more than that. We learn about public speaking and the storytelling, the lines, what you should follow, and the story house. I think that was the name. And if you have these keys in your life, I think you'll be able to present any finding in front of any audience in the world. According to what the audience is, you can identify how to make it. And you'll never be able to lose the attention of the audience if you really learn these tools. And it's been a very, very incredible day, and I love it.
Thank you so much. And why should you use storytelling within your research? What does storytelling do?
The storytelling gives you that confidence. First, yourself, you're sure about what you're saying. You're more confident. You're relaxed. You fight the nerve. You don't panic. And then when you start presenting, you go and you are able to capture the attention of the audience. You have this connection with the audience that makes them understand what you're saying. Even when you don't have a good PowerPoint, you are able to direct your presentation into their hearts, and they are able to understand and even remember you. People can have like 20 presenters in front of them in a day, but at the end of the day, they are going to remember your presentation because you had this training from these people, Oscar and you.
Esbjørn.
And Esbjørn. They are
Thank
very
you so
great.
much.
And then I remember the way the workshop began, you had a very special way to start. While we were still welcoming each other in the room, he just started, I have a dream. And I'm not saying this because it's related to black people, but the way he just started, he captured everyone into the topic, and you knew from the first 5 seconds that this was going to be a very interesting workshop.
Thank you so much. I
Thanks.
appreciate it. Thank
Yeah.
you. Great to have you here
Thank you.
at the
Nice
workshop.
meeting
Thank
you
you.
as well.
Bye.
Thanks.